starting to rain, just my luck. Okay, I've taken my 17mm breaker bar on a 1/2-inch bar, and I put it on here, and I've very carefully held on to it. I broke the nut. Broke it, I unloosened it. So if you go like this, hard to do it with one hand, especially when you're old and crippled and full of excuses like me. Okay, now that part come off, everything's fine. This should come off. It either come off easy or it won't. This is your clutch bell. And you can look in here and see if there's any scratches, any problems. You want to look at the 3 brake pads. I can see they look good. They need a little bit of sandpaper. That just takes the glaze off them. Then what's going to happen is we take off the front, if it'll come off like that. We look at this, everything's fine after 9,000 miles. Then you want to pull your belt like this, okay, and leave your variator on there, okay, and you can see it has little parts, so leave it there. Then you want to go to the back, and you want to pull this straight off like that. And then we'll, as soon as it stops raining, every time I go to film something, of course it's raining, but I got to get everything out of the rain. But then we're going to look at the front crankshaft and the rear axle and see if there's any problems. Ah, damn it! Of course it'd be raining. Set all this beautiful stuff up to show the world, and now it's raining all over it. Oh well. Anyway, that's how you take off the belt. Now we're going to rebuild this clutch and rear clamshell. We will rebuild it with that little tiny machine. And you can see this is not hard work, guys. Okay, you can do this yourself. And it's much funner doing it yourself, but you just got to take your time, and you got to have an expert like me showing you how to do it for free. So if you watch my videos, maybe you can either like them or subscribe or whatever they do. I don't know any of that stuff anymore. Every time I go on YouTube and upload a video, they got 9,000 other instructions. I have no idea. Promotions, they have chats, they have... Oh, look, I just want to upload the video, help people, and that's it. Okay, now, sorry about my ranting. And thank you very much. You can see I'm old, but hey, I still got all my hair. Okay, DSP Demon, rock on.